Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover your Google or Gmail account easily. Let's get started. To begin, open any web browser and search account.google.com. Then type the Gmail address you want to recover in the box. Tap on Next button. Here click Forgot Password. Then click Try another way. This box input your phone number. Tap on Next button. Click the notification above and tap the verification number given to you. Now input your verification code. And click on Next button. You can now change your Gmail account password. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.